Ever connected to Wi-Fi, and then immediately forgot the password?
Yeah, me too.
But don't panic, Windows has a secret command to recover it. Just open Command Prompt as administrator. Type CMD, then select Run as administrator. A black box appears, showing the task at the top to be administrator, Command Prompt. In the prompt, type Netsh, space, WLAN, space, show, space, profile. Press Enter. Boom. Here are all the networks your computer remembers, but you don't. Scroll to the SSID you would like to recover the password for. Left-click on SSID name and hold. While holding the left button, select the name by highlighting it. Right-click to copy it. Next type Netsh space, WLAN space, show space, profile space. Name equals. Paste the copied name. Then closing it with an additional brace. Then type space. Key equals clear. Press Enter. Under Security Settings, Key Content Information, you will see the passphrase for the selected SSID. And there it is, your long-lost Wi-Fi password. You're welcome. If you still cannot find it, maybe your IT doesn't want you to find it, and it may be an EAP-based wireless security. If you're IT, maybe you try asking IT support for IT. To get the passphrase for all SIDs you have saved, you can loop through all profiles with the following short script command. Type 4 /F space skip equals 9 tokens equals 1, 2 space delims equals :/ space %I space in space Netsh space WLAN space show space profiles space do space at echo %J space pipe space Finster space -I space -V space echo space pipe space Netsh space WLAN space show space profile space name equals %J space key equals clear. Press Enter. If you have a long list of WLAN profiles, you can try redirect all output to a file instead of to your display by adding the following to the end of the same command. Greater than sign. Space %user profile %\documents \filename.txt. Now you have a text in your documents folder that anyone can view. Now that I've got you a little paranoid, let's talk about encrypting that text file in our future episodes. Also, in our future shorts, we'll also show you how to block sneaky remote tools like PSExec from reading your newly created files, or any password files lurking on your system. Stay tuned!